So the first thing we want to check is that our seatbelts are low and snug. A couple of you are a little bit high. Take your round dial, push it down to your belt buckle, and then pull on the big straps. Yeah, that's much better. And how do we undo our seatbelts? We twist the dial and it comes undone. Either direction works, by the way. There's 2 doors on this aircraft, and in the back 2, like a minivan, push and slide. Our exit always out and forward away from the tail rotor. And you might remember that if you saw a safety video. If you did see a safety video, you can give me a thumbs up. Any questions from the safety video? Okay. Last thing I wanted to point out is we're shooting a movie. We got 3 cameras outside, 1 on the inside. And we'll have a little video and a USB for you once we get back. If you'd like one, just request it. Anybody's first time on a helicopter? All right, a couple of us. My first time. And how about first time to Maui? A couple of us. All right, cool. And welcome back for those of you who've been coming for years. I'm going to grab our clearance and get us going the rest of the way here. I'll have our microphone switch off just for the next couple of minutes, but when I bring the mics back on, we'll have a super fun conversation. Look, that helicopter's flying with no rotor blades. All right, microphone's open for business. You all can ask as many questions as you want. I love them. If I don't answer you, wait about 10 seconds and ask again. I was just offline talking to somebody else. And I don't hear you at all when I'm offline. We're in the Waihe'a Valley. This is the rainiest part of Maui right here. That's why it's so green and lush. It's also why the valley's so deep. That river down there used to be up where we are, but it cut this valley in over years. There's a cool hike just off the right-hand side called the Waihe'a Ridgeline Hike. And you'll see when I turn here, there might be some people just off our right-hand side up on top of a little cinder cone. See the trail going up. That's a pretty cool hike. Now what's really remarkable, I mentioned 360 inches of annual rainfall right here. Just on the other side of the mountain is Lahaina, Kapalua, that Kaanapali, that area. And they're getting a fraction of the water. Lahaina gets like 12 inches of annual rainfall from 360, 10 miles away. Pretty amazing. Anybody know why? I have no idea. It's actually because of the wind. The wind on most days comes from the northeast. It's called the trade wind. And it looks like it's going to happen today. It's been off for a while, but I think it seems like it's just now switching back on again. So our trade winds push these clouds into the mountain, which causes the cloud to condense and turn back to rain. And when that dries the air out, that dry air heads over to the leeward side, where you're working on your suntan. So that's why the resorts are on the leeward side. Hardly ever find a resort on the upwind side because it's usually cloudy. Oftentimes very rainy.